Hi guys, hope all of you are doing great, and today we will do one more NCERT solutions. Yes, let us see. Yes guys, so today we will be discussing tissues ka episode number 11, which means there have been already 10 more sessions which you can watch. We have also completed this chapter completely and thoroughly. You can go and watch them also. Today on page number 7-9 we will be solving question number 12 and 13. Okay guys, so please do watch the chapter, and also yes, if you have not watched earlier 10 chapters in which we have solved each and every question, ठीक है, I mind you cell का भी हमने पूरा करा है, and we will be doing why do we fall ill का भी all the questions, ठीक है. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel guys, where you get all the content. And yes, you can use this code ARPRO to get extra 20% discount on all the courses at Vedantu. Very good. So here we are. So here's the question guys. Name the rich regions where parenchyma is present. पहली बात, parenchyma होता क्या है? है बेटा, it's a permanent tissue. What is parenchyma? It's a simple permanent tissue in the plant. What is parenchyma? It's a simple permanent tissue in the plant. What does it do, beta? It helps in stores food. It helps in storing the food. है ना, mainly it is helpful for storing the food. ये store करता है food को, है ना. और also it can be of two types. अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा तो it is chlorenchyma, है ना. chlorenchyma नाम में लिखा है, इसमें क्या होता है, क्लोरोफिल होता है ना. तो वो ये करता होगा, it helps in photosynthesis. Then there is something called as aerenchyma. अब aerenchyma क्या है गाइस, इसमें एयर बबल्स होते हैं. aerenchyma, what is there are air bubbles which help in floating. उसको कहता है, हेल्प करता है फ्लोट करने में, ठीक है. तो these are the basics. Apart from that, parenchyma is present where, ये बेसिक्स पता होना चाहिए. इसके बाद प्रेजेंट कहाँ होते हैं? They are found in the food storing parts of the plant. They are found in the leaves. They are found in the soft parts of the plant. हार्ड पार्ट्स में कौन होता है? हार्ड पार्ट्स पे गाइस क्लेरेंकाइमा होता है. और हमारा सॉफ्टी कौन है? सॉफ्टी हमारा yes parenchyma is present on the soft parts. Yes, leaves, fruits, flowers and young stems, ठीक है. They are found in the yes guys mesophile of the leaves. vascular bundles में भी होते हैं. Main चीज guys, this was the main part. leaves, fruit, flowers and young stems में they are present, ठीक है. In addition to that, you can also start by saying what is parenchyma. Parenchyma is a yes guys tissue, है ना. parenchyma is what? parenchyma is a tissue. What type of tissue is it? parenchyma is a simple permanent tissue, ठीक है. वो भी लिख सकते हैं. Very good. So here's one more question. What is the role of epidermis in the plant? Very good question guys. Epidermis क्या होता है guys? Epi means होता है above. Epi means above something. So it is the tissue which is present above all the cells of the plant. It is the tissue which is present above all cells of the plant, है ना. तो when we talk about epidermis guys, what do we see over here? क्या पढ़ रहे हैं हम epidermis? बेटा देखो, epidermis में क्या होता है? It consists of first thing, है ना. What does it do? It is a protective tissue. Protects the plant from injury, है ना. It protects the plant from injury. और क्या करता है ये, है ना. It prevents any fungus or bacteria from entering into the plant also, है ना. Prevents infection. Epidermis क्या करता है बेटा? Sometimes it forms cuticle. It also reduces loss of water. It also reduces loss of water. What is it doing? It is reducing loss of water also. These are the things guys, ठीक है, which you can write over here. Let us see, है ना बच्चे. It's a protective tissue, as I told you guys. These are the keywords. ये तो होने ही चाहिए. The keywords should be definitely present, है ना बेटा. And yes, present on the entire plant surface. It is present on the entire plant surface. The aerial parts of the plants have waxy water resistant layer. क्या होता है बेटा? wax layer होता है, water resistant layer होता है on the outer surface of the thermal cells, है ना बेटा. Reduces the water loss and provides protection against इसके इस mechanical and injury or parasitic yes guys infection. The roots, oh yes ये भी हम भूल गए. Roots help in absorption of water and gases. Root का जो epidermis होता है वो help करता है absorption of water और air gases पे भी, ठीक है. Very good guys. Similarly air में yes stomata में जो epidermis में stomata होता है, that also helps in absorption of gases and transpiration also, ठीक है. टीचर कहते हैं use your own words, do not just copy from the textbook. He died in 1987. 1987 was the day he died. क्या ऐसा करते हो आप लोग? Do let me know in the comment box guys अगर आप ऐसा करते हो तो. Yes, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to this you can use this code ARPRO to get extra 20% discount. And yes guys, do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And guys, we have already done question number, page number 78 ka question number 9, 10 and 11 in episode 10. Today was episode 11 and next was gonna be episode 12. So do not forget to watch it, and this will solve page number 17, 14 and 15. So I'll see you there guys. Do not wait. Don't forget to see the session. And yes, you can write to me at amrit.raj@vedantu.com, and you know the drill. And I'll see you next session. Keep smiling. Love you all. Bye bye. Have a great day.